Auzubillahiminash-shaytanir-rajim. Bismillahir-rahmanir-rahim. Dear students, today we are going to discuss this Thales theorem, or we call it basic proportionality theorem. Basic proportionality theorem, very important theorem. That is, if a line is drawn parallel to one of the sides of a triangle, suppose ABC is a triangle, ABC, this is a triangle, and a line is drawn parallel, where DE is drawn parallel to BC. This is given. ABC is a triangle, a line is drawn parallel to one of the sides of a triangle, say DE is drawn parallel to BC. Now other two sides are divided at point D and E. AB is divided at point D and AC is divided at point E. We have to prove that AD divided by DB is equal to AE divided by EC. So given is, it's very important theorem, ABC is a triangle in which DE is parallel to BC. So ABC is a triangle and DE is parallel to, this is given. Now what we have to prove is other two sides are divided in the same ratio. This ratio, AD divided by DE is equivalent to AE divided by EC. This is to be proved. Now construction. Construction is anything which you will add in support of your proof. Suppose we draw a line segment EG perpendicular to AB, and from point D we draw another perpendicular, this EF, and this is DG, this is again perpendicular to EC, and we will join these two line segments DE and EB. Now through D and E, we draw EF perpendicular to AB and DG perpendicular AC. Also we join DC and BE. Now proof. Now our proof, suppose, let me rub it off this DG. Now this ADE, this is a right angle triangle, and EF is the perpendicular. Its area is given by 1/2 base into perpendicular, base into altitude. Area of triangle ADE, very simple proof, is equivalent to 1/2 into base is AD, into perpendicular into altitude, this is EF. Name this equation first. Now area of this triangle DBE, this is obtuse angular triangle. Now perpendicular is again this, when it is obtuse angular triangle, and then perpendicular is from outside. So this EF is again perpendicular. EF is its height. So its area is given by 1/2 into base is DB, into altitude is this EF again, because this DBE is an obtuse angular triangle, and the perpendicular is obviously from outside. This is its height. EF is its height. So name this equation second. Now dividing first by second. Dividing first by second, we get, what do we get? Area of triangle ADE divided by area of triangle DBE. This is equivalent to 1/2 into AD into EF divided by 1/2 into dB into EF. EF and EF will get cancelled. 1 by 2, 1 by 2 will go. And we are left with area of triangle ADE divided by area of triangle DBE. This is equal to AD divided by DB. Name this equation E. AD divided by this left hand side we have proved AD divided by DE. Now again we take this triangle ADE, but this time we shall consider the perpendicular as DG. And what is its base this time? It is AE. And we join this DC. Again, area of triangle ADE is equivalent to 1 by 2 into base. What is base this time? It is AE, the same triangle AE into this time perpendicular is DG divided by, this is equation number 3rd. Now area of triangle, this DEC is equal to 1 by 2 into base is EC. Again this is obtuse angle triangle and the height is from outside DG it is its height or perpendicular. Now again you will divide 3rd by 4th, dividing 3rd by 4th we get area of triangle ADE divided by area of triangle DEC is equal to 1 by 2 into AE into DG divided by 1 by 2 into EC into DG. DG and DG will get cancelled. 1 by 2 and 1 by 2 will get cancelled. And we are left with area of triangle ADE divided by area of triangle DEC is equal to AE divided by EC. Name this equation B. Now see here, this was our perpendicular EF. Now consider these two equations A and B. Let us see their left hand sides. This is numerator AD, triangle, area of triangle ADE. Again here is ADE. So numerator is equal to numerator. Now area of triangle DBE. This is this triangle DBE and this triangle DEC. They are also equal because we know, we write here area of triangle DBE. This is equal to area of triangle DEC. Why? These are the two triangles DEC and DBC. These are the two triangles formed on the same base D and between the same parallels D and BC. Therefore, they are equal in area because we know that triangles on the same base and between the same parallels are equal in area. Therefore, we'll write it here because triangles are on the same base. Triangles are on the same base. Base is here DE, and between the same parallels therefore they are equal in area. Now when we consider equation A and equation B, left hand side of equation A is equal to left hand side of equation B. When left hand sides are equal, right hand sides are also equal. So comparing from equation A and B, we get this AD divided by DB. Right hand side of this equation, AD divided by DB is equal to right hand side of this equation AE divided by EC. This was to be proved. So if a line is drawn parallel to one of the sides of a triangle, then other two sides are divided in the same ratio. This was basic proportional theorem, or we call it Thales theorem, very important theorem. So this is very simple. You will take a triangle ABC and you will draw a line segment DE parallel to BC. So we have to prove that AD divided by DB is equal to AE divided by AC. Now area, we throw D and E, we draw DG perpendicular AC and E perpendicular AB. Also we join DC and BE. Now area of triangle ADE is equal to 1 by 2 base into height. Base is AD into height is EF. And area of triangle DBE is again 1 by 2 into base. Base is here DB into this obtuse angle triangles. Therefore perpendicular is this EF. Now dividing these two equations, we get area of ADE divided by area of DBC is equal to AD by DB. Now taking again the same triangle ADE, this time we are considering the base AE and DG is the perpendicular. So area is given by area of ADE is 1 by 2 base is AE and altitude is DG. Similarly, triangle area of triangle DEC is this again obtuse angle triangle, so perpendicular is DG. So area of DEC is 1 by 2 into EC into DG. Now again we dividing area of ADE divided by area of DEC is 1 by 2 AE into DG, 1 by 2 EC into DG. DG and DG will get cancelled, 1 by 2 will go, and we are left with area of ADE divided by DEC is AE divided by EC. Now when we compare these two equations, equation A and equation B, we see that left hand sides are equal. Left hand side, this left hand side is equal to this left hand side. When left hand side of two equations are equal, right hand sides are obviously equal. Therefore, right hand side, this AD divided by DB is equal to AE divided by EC. This was to be proved. So this is famous Thales theorem. Inshallah, tomorrow we shall take up questions of the exercise. Till then, Khuda Hafiz.